Hello, everyone, and this is Dr. Sultan, and I'm here with Virginia Hare, and thank you so much for being here. So, if you could just start by telling us, if you don't mind, your age and what problems were you experiencing when you came here?
I'm 74. I will be 75 in May, and I had 3 fractures. Bam, bam, bam. The first one was my shoulder shattered. It was an accident. I was walking my dog. The second was a hip replacement, and the third was I broke my elbow in Mexico.
Wow. And so you were really looking for some solutions, and what was your osteoporosis DEXA scan test looking like?
Well, my DEXA scan was terrible, and my doctor was equally terrible. I mean, she sent me to a rheumatologist who wanted me on prescription medicine for years.
Right. And we know that those are fraught with many side effects.
Absolutely.
And so, what changes were you able to see once you started with us here?
Well, my DEXA scans improved steadily. They did from year to year, and I'm now in osteopenia. So I feel like I'm pretty much free, and I was scared to travel out of the country because I didn't want to end up with multiple fractures again.
Mm-hmm. And so, what were some things that you find helped you do this?
All right, diet is number one. HRT, which is hormone replacement, that made a big difference, and I was surprised at how much difference it made. And the third thing was weight bearing exercise. And I think if you do all three, they're all part of the puzzle. You can't do one or the other.
Exactly. And just to clarify, they were bioidentical natural hormones that were tailor made for you. And for women who are afraid of hormones, you don't have to live in fear. In fact, the latest studies show that estradiol protects you from breast cancer because that's the big C that we're scared of. I do not recommend synthetic hormones.
Right.
But this is for women who want to live life.
Well, you're
like you
tested
do.
twice a year, so
Yes.
if you're willing to do it, you are protected.
Yes. Exactly. We're not just letting you out in the
Right.
woods, right?
It's better than traditional doctors, to be honest. But
Yes. And what advice do you have for someone who is in a similar situation looking for help?
I would say run, don't walk to Vitalogy. I mean, it's made a whole lot of difference in the way I live every day, and then my travel plans. I mean, I'm not scared to fall anymore. I don't fall anymore, but I'm not scared to.
Awesome. And you've been to Italy, you go to Austin, and you're all over the place, and I love that. So thank you so much for being here, and we really appreciate you.
You're quite welcome.
Thank you.